Consider the following statements regarding the Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958 AFSPA. 1. Governor of the state or the administrator of the union territory or the central government can declare the whole or such part of the such state or union territory to be a distributed area. 2. Even assembly of 5 or more persons can attract action under AFSPA Act. 3. Army soldiers operating under the AFSPA are shielded from all legal actions in every circumstances. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 and 2 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. You're gonna start now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is A. Why? And explanation. About AFSPA 1958, an act to enable certain special power to be conferred upon members of the armed forces in distributed areas in State of Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura that lies in the northeastern sector. Power to declare areas to be disturbed areas under section 3 of the Act. Governor of the state or the administrator of that union territory or the central government, as the case may be, may by notification in the official gazette declare the whole or such part of the such state or union territory to be disturbed area. Hence statement 1 is correct. Disturbed area is an area in such as disturbed or dangerous conditions that the use of armed forces in aid of the civil power is necessary. Special power of the armed forces under section 4. Any commission officer, warrant officer, non-commissioned officer or any other person of equivalent rank of the armed forces is given special power to under AFSPA, although they must be exercised with the extreme caution. After giving due warning as considered necessary, fire upon the use force even cause death against any person acting in contravention of law. Prohibiting assembly of 5 or more persons, hence statement 2 is correct. Prohibiting carrying weapons or firearms or ammunition or explosive. If reasonable suspicion exists, can also arrest a person without warrant, enter or search a premises without a warrant. Unless otherwise authorized by the central government, army soldiers operating under the AFSPA are shielded from all legal actions. Hence, the army soldiers are not immune in every circumstance, and statement 3 is not correct. Source Indian Express, page number 1. Thank you for watching. Talk to next one. Till then, bye. Take care.